Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Markayla, and welcome back if you're returning. So today, guys, I have an unboxing and I'm super excited. That's from AliBonnie. I got a 20-inch human hair wig, so we're gonna unbox it, really unbag it today, and then I'm gonna attempt at dyeing the hair, bleaching the knots. So if you would like to see that, please stay tuned, and don't mind my hair because that's not what we're here for. Okay, we're here for this hair. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And also, please like the video, comment down below what you thought, leave a blue heart if you watched the entire video, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like, especially if you're returning, if you're returning and you ain't hit that notification bell, baby, what is you doing? Okay, so let's get into the video. So it came in this cute bag, as they all do, right? It says AliBonnie, discover the new you, 100% human hair. Okay. It came with a wig cap. You know I love wig cap. This is the hair. I'm not going to take it out yet. Let me show you the rest of the things. It came with, came with the edge brush or whatever. This is nice. Let me show y'all. Yep. And it also came with these lashes. So these are really cute. These are really cute. They ain't no Dollar Tree lashes. This is cute. Okay. And for the part everybody been waiting for, this heart. About to open it. So this is 20 inches. So let's see what 20 inches is talking about. Okay. The hair is super, super soft. Obviously no tangling because it's literally new. I don't think it's giving 20 inches though, but hey, I could be wrong. And it looks nicely plucked already. If you could see this, it says it's pre-plucked, but you know when things say it's pre-plucked, it don't really be pre-plucked. I do need to go in a little bit more, but it's nice. It does have it has a smell to it. I'm not sure what that smell is. It's not a bad smell, but it does have a smell to it. This is the lace. It's a decent amount of lace. It's supposed to be 13x4 lace frontal. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and 2 adjustable straps on the side as well. It doesn't have any lace in the back because why would it? Yeah, this is the hair. So I'm gonna attempt to dye it and bleach the knots. So I heard of this little trick on TikTok and I tried to research it on YouTube, but I could not find it. So basically what I'm gonna do, I have this big old thing of 40 volume developer, right? That's a developer, right? Yep, developer. So I'm going to put this on the knots and I'm going to put it on the entire hair because I heard it just brightens the hair without you having to actually dye it. But I am going to bleach the knots. So let me show you all the process. Oh, I forgot to get the purple shampoo. What was I thinking? I was in a rush to get. I'm gonna wait 30 minutes, check on it, and if it's not looking how I want it to look, put it in or leave it covered for another 30 minutes and so on. So each time I check it, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. So I'm checking on the hair, and the top has lifted, but as you can see, this is still black. So what I'm gonna do is get some more developer and put that on the black part. Here we are again, approximately, I want to say 15-20 minutes from when I came to see you guys. So let's see what it's looking like. It's low-key still dark. Just needs a little bit more time. Okay, so I'm back. It's been 15 more minutes. And I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna rinse it off because I like the color. It's a cute chocolate brown color. I don't know if you can see that, but okay, so I am done. This is what it's giving as far as the scalp goes. So I tried my very, very best. And I hope it's enough. It should be enough, dang, because if it's not, I'll go back and fix it. Fuck it. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. Let me give you... I blow dried it a little bit. I don't know why. I mean, I guess to make it like dry faster, but I don't know why I blow dried it. But anyways, that is the unboxing. This is the hair finished after I let some developers sit on it. I do like the color. I'm gonna like it a lot more when I wet it again and it goes back to its natural curly state. It's soft, you know, as new hair should be. So I'm going to make another video of me reviewing the wig on and wearing it for a couple of days. So stay tuned for that video. But for now, you guys stay safe and thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell, duh. And then watch my next video when I put it out. Bye.